What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I want to show you an extreme fanny pack. So what we have here is another product by WATERFLY. I really like their stuff. It's been really high quality, so it's been a nice brand to get to know and pick up some more of their stuff. We have a nice buckle here. As you can see, I don't think we call them fanny packs anymore. We call them like outdoor hip packs, that kind of thing. Nice big webbing on the strap itself. We even have a little elastic retainer here. The nylon buckle here is pretty wide, probably about 1.5 inches. Obviously adjustable on both sides, so you can center that buckle if you want to. We have some really nice kind of mesh, breathable mesh material in there. We also have a little handle here on the top, and then if I flip it over, man, just some really nice almost canvas-like material, but I'm sure it's a nylon, which is pretty cool. We also have a little like paracord, or no, it's like a little bungee cord strap right there, and the WATERFLY logo embroidered on the top. So what is with all these pockets? First of all, we have a little flap here held down by Velcro, and you can see that we have 2 pockets in here. One that goes there, one that goes all the way down, which is nice. And then if we take a look at this flap up here, it will cover those up, and then we have a pocket here. But I'm really excited to show you that, so you can put some really quick access things there. But we also have the zipper up here, and that means that the flap here is detachable. So what you can do is, if you have something in here that someone else needs to take, a car key or something like that, you can just give it to them, or if there's some smaller things in there, and you can clip it to your backpack or whatnot. So that's kind of cool. But then you can just reattach that sucker, and then you can just reattach it there and zip it back on, and now it's basically a little permanent fixture. And then on the top here, we can open this up, and you've got really nice nylon lined, and we have a little clip here so you can hook on your key, something you don't want to lose. And inside, nice big pouch. We also have 2 separate pouches here for separating some things out. And then we have another dual zipper. And I love that there's metal hardware zippers there in a nice big cavernous interior with another separation pouch, so you can put that in there. I could probably put a sandwich in a small water bottle in there. Kind of your consumer water bottles, right? But this is really quite attractive, and it's very functional. It's got a lot of stuff. Oh, and I also want to show you here, might not be able to come across there, this little strap end here seems to have some kind of high reflectivity properties to it too, so even a little bit of a safety feature there. So this little WATERFLY fanny pack is pretty awesome, and it looks incredible on me, which means it should look pretty good on you. Hey, if you want to pick up this fanny pack, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.